What if I told you there's a place where you can breathe some of the cleanest air on Earth, walk through forests older than entire civilizations, spot wildlife found nowhere else, and even witness the southern lights dancing across the sky? Welcome to Tasmania. Australia's island state may look small on a map, but once you arrive, it feels like you've stepped into another world. It's quieter, wilder, and somehow more connected to nature than almost anywhere else. In this video, we're exploring 8 things that make Tasmania unlike anywhere else. By the end, you'll understand why so many visitors leave already planning their next trip. Let's dive in. Number 8, some of the cleanest air in the world. We'll start with something you can't even see. On Tasmania's remote northwest coast lies Kenauke, Cape Grim, home to one of the world's most important air monitoring stations. The reason? Air arriving here has traveled thousands of kilometers across the Southern Ocean without passing over major cities or industrial areas. That allows scientists to study some of the cleanest air on the planet. You might not be able to see clean air, but you can certainly feel it. Many visitors say the first thing they notice in Tasmania isn't the scenery. It's how incredibly fresh everything feels. It's the kind of place where simply taking a deep breath becomes part of the experience. Number 7, the Aurora Australis. Most people have heard of the Northern Lights. Far fewer know about their southern counterpart, the Aurora Australis, also known as the Southern Lights. Tasmania is one of the best places in Australia to witness this incredible natural phenomenon. On nights with strong solar activity and clear skies, ribbons of green, pink, purple, and red light dance across the southern horizon. There's no guarantee you'll see them during your visit, but when everything aligns, it's an unforgettable sight. For photographers and stargazers, it's one of Tasmania's most magical experiences. Number 6, wild coastlines. Tasmania's coastline isn't just beautiful, it's powerful. Across the island, you'll find towering sea cliffs, hidden beaches, sea caves, blowholes, and rock formations carved by millions of years of relentless Southern Ocean waves. Unlike many crowded coastal destinations, large stretches of Tasmania's shoreline remain untouched. Standing on these cliffs, listening to crashing waves and feeling the wind coming straight from Antarctica reminds you just how wild nature can be. It's dramatic, peaceful, and humbling all at once. Number 5, ancient forests. Tasmania is home to some of the oldest forests on Earth. Many of these rainforests have existed for millions of years, preserving plant species that date back to the ancient supercontinent of Gondwana. Walking through these forests feels almost prehistoric. Towering trees stretch overhead. Giant ferns cover the forest floor. Moss blankets fall in logs, and crystal-clear streams wind quietly through the landscape. Whether you're exploring Mount Field National Park, the Tarkine, or other wilderness areas, these forests create an atmosphere that's difficult to describe until you've experienced it yourself. Number 4, a fascinating convict. History. Tasmania's history is unlike anywhere else in Australia. During the 1800s, thousands of British convicts were transported to the island, shaping many of the towns and historic buildings that still stand today. Places like Port Arthur tell stories of hardship, survival, and resilience. Walking through these preserved sites isn't just about looking at old buildings. It's about stepping into Australia's past and understanding how the island helped shape the nation's history. It's a side of Tasmania that surprises many first-time visitors. Number 3, wildlife found nowhere. Else Tasmania is famous for its wildlife, and for good reason. The island is home to iconic animals like the Tasmanian devil, as well as wombats, echidnas, pademelons, wallabies, and countless native birds. One of the best parts is that wildlife encounters often happen naturally. You might wake up to wallabies grazing outside your accommodation, spot wombats while driving through the countryside, or hear native birds calling from the trees. Nature here doesn't feel separated from everyday life. It feels like you're sharing the landscape with it. Number 2, incredible local produce. Tasmania's clean environment doesn't just create beautiful scenery. It also produces incredible food. Fresh oysters, Atlantic salmon, artisan cheeses, premium beef, berries, cherries, apples, honey, and cool climate wines are just some of the island's specialties. Because so much is grown or harvested locally, many restaurants showcase seasonal ingredients sourced only a short distance away. Whether you're visiting a farmer's market, vineyard, seafood restaurant, or roadside farm gate, eating your way around Tasmania becomes part of the adventure. It's one more reason visitors keep coming back. Number 1, off-grid, nature escapes. Taking the number 1 spot is something that truly defines Tasmania, the ability to completely disconnect. Across the island, you'll find cabins, cottages, and retreats surrounded by forests, mountains, rivers, and open countryside. Places where your neighbors are wallabies instead of traffic. Where the loudest sounds are birds, wind through the trees, and rain falling on the roof. Whether you're watching the sunrise over rolling hills, relaxing by a fireplace after a day of exploring, or looking up at a sky filled with stars, Tasmania has a way of slowing life down. In a world that's constantly connected, that feeling has become one of the island's greatest luxuries. Tasmania isn't just another holiday destination. It's a place where nature still feels truly wild, history comes alive, the air feels fresher, the food tastes better, and every day brings the chance to experience something completely unexpected. Maybe that's why so many people arrive for a few days and leave wishing they had booked a week. If Tasmania is on your travel bucket list, let us know which of these 8 experiences you'd want to see first. And if you've already visited, tell us what made Tasmania feel different for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Tasmania travel guides, and we'll see you in the next adventure.